Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Hi, so I've logged in 2.5 hours of work today covering all the tiers with modeling chocolate and finishing a couple of decorations and airbrushing one tier gold. So that's it for today. I've just got a few more details to do tomorrow and then stacking the cakes and then they're done. If I'm looking a little bit tired, it's because I am. But I've got another cake to do a couple of days after that, which I never do this much, but I made some promises this weekend. So yeah, I'll see you on Sunday after it's all done. Bye.